Hi guys, it's Kate with WTI, and I wanted to tell you about my DeskCycle 2. This thing is so awesome. So if you work at a desk, long days, you don't get to get outside as often as you want or fit in a workout every day, this product is for you. So I do exactly that. I work at my desk. I try and get outside, but when I can't, it's so nice to have this option. So it is tiny. It fits right under your desk, really low profile. It's very, very quiet, which is exactly what you want, especially if you're actually working in an office with other people. And it gives you a really great workout. It's completely adjustable. You can have it from a really easy ride, but you can crank that tension up and have it be a little more challenging. It keeps track of all your stats, so your distance and time and calories burnt and all that type of thing on the nice little display. It also comes with a mount. So if you don't want to have your display under your desk hidden, but you'd rather mount it right on top, you can do that as well, which is really convenient. It was so easy to put together. It comes with absolutely everything you need. The instructions are really basic, broken down completely, and it maybe took me 5 minutes. All you have to do is make sure that you tighten all those bolts really good so that you're being safe. The straps on the pedals also come off if you'd prefer, so it's very customizable, but overall I would absolutely recommend this. It's a great addition to your home office or to your work office, just to stay active in those long winter months and all those long days at the desk. Try it out, and that's my point of view.